Good morning, two car guys. Today I'm putting a leveling kit on that Ram 1500. It's just going to level the front about 2 inches. It's a kit I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's the Bilstein 5100. Looks so much better. A little bit more level in the front. It's supposed to be a 2-inch level, but it's a full spring and strut. So yeah, ride along with me. Let's see how it turns out when it's done. Hopefully it sits about this high in the front and gets rid of that, factory rake and makes it look a whole lot better. We recently changed the wheels and got those going. Really happy with the way it looks with the black wheels on the silver. Matches the Viper, so obviously that's my favorite. But yeah, so I'm gonna move it into this bay, get everything set up, put it on some jack stands, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got the truck on jack stands finally. Let's take a look here. So we got the truck up on jack stands. Go ahead and lift the whole front end up. Now, a lot of people will install spacers at the top of the coil and kind of level the truck. Now, my truck's got 60,000 miles on it, so I think the suspension's a little worn. I was noticing some things here and stuff like that, and it didn't ride the best. So, even after purchasing the spacers from eBay, which would have been the cheapest option, I didn't like that very much. So we bought these. Now these are the Bilstein 5100s. It's a full set kit, pre-built out. So all I should have to do is remove the coil spring, and you can see some wear on there too. So I mean, it was looking pretty rough. Remove the coil spring, remove the whole strut out, and then I'll be able to install these, which will look better. I'm sure they're going to ride better, so I'm excited about it. After doing the wheels, I think the truck looks amazing, so now I'm ready to level it out and give it that good stance. So we'll see how it goes. So we're about halfway through one side, and I'm going to go over what all we've done so far. First thing you do is you take this bolt out, and this is going to give this brake line some give. Then you're going to pop this clip out of here, right there, if you can see that. And then once that clips out, then you're going to pop this loose just by loosening this and loosen the bolt that holds the sway bar on both sides. Then you pop the tie rod end off, and then this will all swing out of the way so that we can get this bad boy out of there. So we're about halfway through the first side. I'll update you when I get the new shock in there, and it's going to look good. We might clean some of this up too. I don't know, I'm weird. I like to keep all this clean. This car must have lived on a dirt road before me, and they did some kind of undercoating that's like chipping off. But yeah, I may clean some of this up, make it look pretty. Overall, it's going pretty smooth. It is a little bit tedious, but it ain't bad. Anybody can do it. Check out these guys, Bilstein, and they'll get you set up. But yeah, this is going pretty going pretty smooth so far. And I'm happy with it, yeah. So it's looking like a car crash over here, but it's not. So the strut is accessible. We're gonna undo this bolt, then we're gonna undo these top bolts up here. And then once we undo those, I'll be able to pry this down, pull the strut out, and slap one of them new struts over there in here. So super excited, let's get it going. From that to this, I hadn't painted the brake caliper, got everything kind of cleaned up. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than it did before. So extremely happy with that. Once the wheel's on, the silver caliper will pop behind the black wheels. So yeah, that's the start to my little OEM Plus upgrade I'm doing over here. So just to get a better representation, this is before, after. After about 10 minutes of doing it, I've already had the other side out just because of the experience of doing the first side. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit, obviously do the same thing we did before, put the new strut in, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, all that's gonna be nice and clean and tidy, and we'll put the new strut in and everything will be good to go. New strut, and yeah, it's going pretty smooth. So we'll get this done, and then I might do a quick oil change and, take it for a drive. Whoever designed this, why would you put a bar directly behind the drain plug? I mean, it's 100% right there. I'll never understand that. All right, so now we're here doing the oil change. Mobil 1 oil going in. And we do 7 more quarts of that. So yeah, fun. All right, we're done. And she is level. Look at that, look. Ooh, so much meaner. Yeah, it's sitting up a lot higher in the front, which gives it way more of an aggressive look. Now the tires are street tires, so we'll maybe change that in the future. But yeah, she looks so much better. The leveling kit on her. Go around to this side so the sun's hitting it a little better. What do you guys think? I think that's good looking. I'm very happy with that. So that's it for the video. We leveled the Ram. We did some little minor upgrades, painted the calipers, you know, just little things like that. Got it cleaned up. She's looking good. I'm happy with it. Very, very happy with it. If you like stuff like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.